Hi everybody, it's Valerie here from the AllToyCollector channel with my 4-year-old
Dino.
And we're going to review this awesome vintage FisherPrice cash register. I am so excited to review this toy because I actually played with this when I was in kindergarten. Well, let's open it up and play. Alright, here's the FisherPrice cash register out of the box. Oh, I'm so excited to play with it. This toy comes with 9 coins. There's 3 25-cent pieces, 3 10-cent pieces. So the 25-cent pieces are blue, the 10-cent pieces are green, and they actually stack inside each other, which is kind of cool. And then there's 3 5-cent pieces, which are red. And I think they go like that. Woohoo! That's how you can stack them. So that's pretty fun. Over here is our store, and Dino has all the money. Hey Dino, what would you like to buy? You can buy some ice cream, an apple, or some balloons.
Ice cream!
Ice cream, woohoo! Now let's see, how much is the ice cream? 25 cents. And wow, you put that money in so fast. Let me show you really quick how this works. So you put the 25 cents in, you push down on the button, it actually says 25 cents, and you can get change with this red button, sale, meaning you bought it, or you can turn this and the bottom of the cash register opens up. Do you want to try that? Whoa, is that the money inside?
Yeah.
There's the 25-cent pieces, and since there's 2 of them, it equals 50 cents. Now, it's my turn to buy something. Hey Dino, since you have all the money, can I borrow 10 cents so I can buy an apple?
Yeah.
Okay. And oh, by the way, you can grab your ice cream and start eating it.
Yum.
Now let me buy my apple here. Ooh, it looks so delicious. I love apples. Here's my 10 cents. And it's in. And what if I press the red button? Let's say I decide to not buy this delicious red apple. I don't know why I would do that, but I can hit this red button here. Holy cow, that was like magic. I got 10 cents back, but I also got a quarter. Woo, I got extra money.
Let's get money.
Oh, and there's other quarters.
I want to buy a balloon.
Okay, there's 2 balloons to choose from. What do you want to buy?
Blue.
Blue.
I'll put my money in.
Wow, you bought 2 balloons. I guess I get to keep the pink one then. That was so awesome. Now let's blow up our balloons. Here's my pink balloon. Now let's blow up the blue balloon. And whoa, there's a big blue balloon.
I want to buy an apple.
And if you want to buy more than one thing, you can't put all the money in at once. You always have to push this down, press the sale button, and then buy it. And look, there's 3 10-cent pieces in there, which would be 30 cents. 10, 20, 30. I rate this FisherPrice cash register a 5 out of 5. It is so much fun. And in this video, we did buy things that were in the pictures. Ice cream, apples, and balloons. But you can make up your own store and use it as a fun store cash register. You could pretend to sell toys like My Little Pony toys, or Barbies, or even some cool baby alive dolls. I rate this cash register a 5 out of 5. It is very sturdy, and I like that it came with 9 coins. That's enough coins that if you lose a couple, you can still play with it again and again. I also think it's fun that when you put money inside the cash register, so let's see, I put the 5 cents in, push down, I can press the change button, and when I do, you'll see the change go down this fun slide. Whee! Well, all toy collector fans, if you've ever wanted a toy cash register, I think this one is perfect. Do you like it? Please write down what you think in the comment section. Also, please remember to like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and please check out more videos by AllToyCollector.